Create this type of player showcasing poster design in Canva very easily. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select the size 736 pixels into 920 pixels. Go to Elements and import a player picture. I am using a demo picture. You will use your desired picture. Remove the background. Change the background color to a gradient by selecting the player dress color and ball color. Again, go to Elements and search for the sun rays burst. Select this. Adjust the size and position. Change the position to backward. Add a shadow under the foot. Your design is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.